Hey there, this is Destry again with another episode of Destry TV, and as part of this 5-part series we have on renting out your property, we're going to discuss on how to legally deliver a non-payment of rent notice. So look, being a landlord can be tough, especially if your tenant fails to pay you rent. And look, if you finally had enough and you just want to evict the tenant, what should you do about it? And look, to comply with the necessary laws and to make the process as smooth as possible, there's a few tips that I'm going to give you to help you safely and legally navigate the delivery of the notice. Look, so first of all, wait till your tenant has missed at least 2 months. I know that seems crazy, but in most of the country now, missing 1 month of rent isn't even enough to evict somebody. So just make sure you comply with the state and county legal standards. So wait at least 60 days before serving. Or, worst case, at least check with your municipality where you're at and make sure you're complying. Second thing is really consult an expert beforehand. Each state has different eviction laws. Like in some states, like California, you can serve a notice yourself. While in other states, you're going to need a legal authority involved to serve the tenant. And the third thing is really decide beforehand if you'll accept a partial payment of the rent. Look, your tenant is allotted a certain amount of time to pay you back before you can evict. And if they try to offer you a partial payment, decide beforehand whether or not you'll accept it. Maybe consider what kind of tenant they've been, how eager you are to see them go before making a rash decision. Sometimes a little grace to the tenant might help them get back on track. Hey, look, and if you have any questions about being a landlord or buying investment property, just give us a call, send us an email, message, and watch our channel for upcoming videos in this series on being a landlord, as well as others that we have coming along. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon, you'll get notified when we post new videos. We'll see you next time.